How to forward a text message on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Next, open the conversation that contains the message you want to forward. Now, tap and hold the text message until a menu appears. From the menu, tap More. You'll now see a check mark next to the selected message. Next, tap the forward arrow in the bottom right corner of the screen. A new message window will open. In the To field, type the name or phone number of the person you want to forward the message to. Once you've selected the recipient, review the forwarded message to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, tap the Send button. The message will now be forwarded to the selected contact. And that's it. You successfully learned how to forward text messages on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.